All right, we are in Queens. Let's check out this Brazilian market. Guarana, have that. Let's see what we can find. Hello. What do you have? This is all Brazilian? This is all Brazilian food?
Brazilian food?
Yeah. Do you have picanha? Oh, down here. Amazing. This is picanha. Okay, and then what is this one called? Linguica?
Salsicha chicken.
Salsicha. What's the Portuguese name?
Salsicha chicken, salsicha pork.
Pork, and this one is the linguica? Linguica?
Linguiça.
Linguiça, okay. And what is this one here? It's the porco? Pistela. Oh, it's like the rib.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is chorico? Becco. Okay, cool. Wow, okay. And this is costela. This is like with salt. Okay, cool. And carne seca. Wow. This looks like salt fat, I think. And what's this? Homemade banha suína. It looks like some sort of fat. What is this fruit?
É o machixe que tá vendo? É o machixe?
Bahia? Machixe? It's the Brazilian fruit. I've never seen this. Oh, cool. You have all different... What? Chilo?
This is chilo, yes.
Baxixa? And this one's yucca, right? Or
Não, esse é inhame.
Inhame. Okay.
This banana, Brazilian banana.
Brazilian banana and
Yes.
inhame. And inhame is like a manioc or something? Or like
É
a yucca?
parente da yuca, da mandioca,
Okay.
essa assim.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna go eat food. Thank you. Okay, we're at the buffet. So you've got meats, corn salad there. Looks like cucumber, pineapple. Some beautiful. I don't know what this is. Is it crispy potato on top, maybe? Like a chicken salad with crispy potato. I'm gonna have some of this, the fried pork. So, I don't know what this orange sauce is, but let's get somebody. Let's go find someone to help.
In Portuguese,
Yeah, in Portuguese. So this one is called
this is torresmo.
torresmo. So this is pork belly.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is fried pork,
And this is the sauce is called,
hot sauce.
but
Yeah.
what's the Portuguese name?
Pimenta.
Pimento, okay. And then this one is the coconut
This is pão,
pau. Okay,
Pau,
okay,
yeah.
okay. Is this feijão?
feijão.
Okay.
Okay. I will clean for you. Okay.
Okay. No, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah?
It's not hurt. Don't worry. No, it looks good.
This is arroz.
Arroz, yes.
Yes.
This beans is which one?
Feijão vermelho.
Feijão milho.
Vermelho. The same.
I'll try this
Yeah.
one. Okay. And then
Purê de batata.
yeah, which is mashed potato.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bife.
Beef. Okay.
Yeah. Macarrão.
Okay. So that's like a fettuccine or something.
Yes.
Okay.
And filé de peixe.
Okay.
Couve-flor.
Okay.
Frango passarinho.
Okay. And this topping is called
Farofa.
farofa. And what is it? It's like
Yucca flour.
yucca flour. Okay. So what do you suggest I try? Because I have a little bit here, but is there anything?
My favorite is beef with onions.
Okay. And with maybe some of this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. Well, you heard her. Beef with onions. This looks good. Ooh, these caramelized onions looking incredible. I might just... Perfect. And some of this yucca flour maybe on top. Sounds good. Okay. Up to the scale.
Brazilian Guaraná.
Oh, Guarana. Okay, I've had that.
Yeah.
But that's like energy drink, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sort of. What's a Brazilian beer?
Xingu,
Chingu,
Brahma,
Brahma,
Serpa,
Serpa.
and that's it.
Okay, no beer. I think I have. This is a Brazilian coconut water?
Yeah.
All right.
Really good.
I try this one. Sococo. Perfect. That's good, I think. Okay, so she recommended this, a little bit of the chimichurri. I think it's Argentinian, but with the beef. And I'm gonna take a squeeze of this stuff just to try it. Crema de pimenta. All right, we're loaded up. Okay, here we go. Look at this beautiful plate of food. So let's start with this fried pork belly dipped in a little of this pimiento. Wow. Yum. That is big spice. This. It's so tender and crispy, like thunder crunch. Okay. Next, I'm going a little of the beans. Wow. These have something smoky in there. Maybe it's cooked with like a piece of smoked sausage or something. Those taste super smoky. They look like just regular beans again. I say this every time about Brazilian beans, but they are the best beans on the planet. Wow. Okay, let's go for a little bit of this yucca flour dusted beef with onions. Whoa, super herby and herbaceous from that chimichurri. I love that little crispy yucca flour. It gives such a like texture to everything. I love that. And the onions are sweet. Everything looks so simple, but it's very, 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 very fresh food. I'm gonna set you up. I'm actually excited for this bite because I've never had one of these simple breads. So let's put a piece of meat on there. This is comfort food. This pork belly is cooked so beautifully crispy. Listen to this. It's like a cracker. Look at this little juice box of coconut water. I feel like I'm 5 years old again. Yum. Long before coconut water was popular all over the world, Brazil started it all basically. Works well with the meal like a fine wine. All right, Brazil. Let's see how much heat. Let's see how much heat we can handle. It's spicy, but coming off a lot of Filipino meals, Indonesian meals, Malaysian, I can handle it. I take that back. That is a slow build. Holy smokes, that is hot. Okay, Brazil, you win. Ooh, that is hot.
Oh, and
So
coconut.
So this one's flan.
Flan.
Tres leches.
Yes.
What is like the most Brazilian dessert?
Brigadeiro.
Brigadeiro.
Yes, the chocolate.
Oh, it's like a chocolate ball.
Yeah, or beijinho.
Beijinho is this one?
Yes, the chocolate.
I'm gonna try this one, Brigadeiro. Okay.
This one?
Yeah. Can I pay after or I pay now? Okay, pay after. Brigadeiro. Excuse me. All right. Brigadeiro taste test. Wow, that is like the richest, most delicious fudge ball. I did not expect the filling to be like pure fudgy goodness. Chocolate, sprinkles. That is decadent. I'm starting to really like Brazilian food here. This is like heavy hitting dessert. It's always a trade-off between like finishing my bites and trying to give you like an instant reaction. So sometimes I kind of talk half mouth full, but I'll try to cover my mouth. Yum. That was really good. The chocolate one was good, yeah. I love that. Where do I put this? Oh, perfect, thanks. Yeah, that's really good. Ooh, a little strawberry. Here's a passion fruit mousse, which we had before. Marushka or something? Maruka? I'm saying that wrong. Okay, let's see if we can find some good Brazilian products. There we go, pimenta. Okay. This is the chilies, of course. And then you get into the scorpion, Trinidad scorpion. Okay, but that's... I think this is more what we had. Piment, like some of this sauce. That's what we had. Creme de pimenta. This was good, okay. Olio de peque, that must be chili oil. What else do we have? What's something fun I don't normally see? Hearts of palm, that's cool. I don't know what the Portuguese name for that is. Maybe, yeah, palmito de açaí en conserva. Cool. These are great. I've used them in salads and stuff, but I'd be interested to see how people use them in Brazil. What else we got? Man. A couple kitchen tools I've never seen. I don't know what this would be for. Huh. It's like a waffle iron type thing. I wonder what that's for. If you're Brazilian in the comments, let me know. Farofa, I think. What's this? Farofa. Cool. Farofa. Farinha. That must be our corn, crispy corn flour, maybe? Cassava flour. Cool. What do you use this for? What do you use it for?
For sandwich.
Oh, for sandwich. Oh, okay, okay. And then so many spices. Confrei, I don't know what this is for. Nogueira. Poejo. That's my Portuguese. I think I'm just making these words up. Excuse me. Traditional banana candy. Oh, let's go check out. Let's see what we got for the meats. Linguica. Wow, the cheeses. You know Brazil has proper cheeses. Good fresh cheeses. Minas fresh cheese. This stuff, I've heard of it, but I've never tried it. I hope to try it soon. Minas. What's this one? Provolone. Mimoso. That's another Minas. I guess Kiridato must mean aged. Yeah. What's this? This is like a spreadable cheese, a gamba traditional. Receta con queijo mozzarella. Cream cheese spread. I'm lost. Thank you. Well, there you go. That was pretty cool. And that is a full-blown grocery market, complete with Brazilian jerseys in the back. What a beautiful day in Queens. Feels very Brazilian today on this completely rainy day. But that was cool. That was wonderful food. Very interesting Brazilian market out here in Queens. And that's it. Until next time, from the beautiful, sunny, Brazilian type weather of Queens.